Hey beautifuls, handsome men's and my little cute ones, this is Asha, you're watching Hanviyatu channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of egg burji, a tasty and spicy recipe. Shall we start? So the first step is, in a pan add 2 tablespoons oil. Now I'm adding 6 green chilies. Onion, 3 onions. Add some salt so that it cooks well soon. Now in a bowl I've taken 10 eggs and adding some salt as per the taste, a little pinch of red chili powder so that it gives more spice to your egg burji, and 1 tablespoon garam masala. Give a nice beat to this egg mixture. Here to the onion I am going to add 1 tomato. Let the onion and the tomatoes cook well. Now the onion and tomatoes are cooked well. Now we can add this egg mixture. Keep on mixing so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Oh wow, the egg burji is ready to serve. Before serving, add some corianders for garnishing and then serve it. You can serve this burji with chapati or you can eat it as a snack too. Healthy and spicy, egg burji is ready to serve. Try this recipe at your home and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.